A Walmart grocery pickup support ticket marked as closed means the request has been completed in Walmart's system, but it does not always mean your pickup problem was resolved. By the end, you'll know how to check a closed Walmart grocery pickup ticket, what information to review, and what steps to take if the issue is still happening. Start by opening your Walmart account and reviewing the support request details. Check the messages, updates, and any notes connected to the ticket. This shows whether Walmart provided a solution, or whether the request was closed without fixing the problem. If your pickup issue is still unresolved, collect the details before contacting support again. Write down your order information, pickup location, the problem you experienced, and any messages you received from Walmart. Clear details make it easier for support to understand what happened. Next, check your order status inside the Walmart app. Confirm whether the grocery pickup order shows as completed, canceled, delayed, or needing action. The order page can provide information that is separate from the support ticket. If the issue involves missing items, incorrect items, or a pickup problem, review the order details carefully. Compare what appears in the app with what you actually received. This gives you specific information to provide when requesting help. If your original support ticket was closed but the problem remains, contact Walmart support again and explain that the previous ticket did not resolve the issue. Include the original ticket details if you have them. Avoid submitting multiple requests with different information for the same order. A complete support request with all relevant details helps prevent confusion. You should also check that you are signed into the correct Walmart account. If you have more than one account or email address, the order and support history may appear under a different login. If you use the Walmart app, make sure it is updated and working correctly. App issues can sometimes affect how order details and support information appear. The main points are simple. First, a closed ticket only means the request is finished in the system. Second, review your order details and support messages. Third, reopen the conversation with Walmart support if your grocery pickup issue is still not fixed. Your next step is to check the closed ticket, verify your order status, and contact Walmart support with complete details if needed. If this guide helped you fix a Walmart grocery pickup issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical app and service troubleshooting guides.